I just met this great guy.
He'd be great on ASB.
He looks good in a tie.
And makes a wicked cup of tea.
Everyone should vote for him!
If they know what's best.
His wits are not so dim.
Better than the rest.
He is so very fun. And he has a lot of pep.
He sings till Tefillah is done.
Vote Noah for class rep.
Vote Noah.
Vote Noah.
Noah.
Thanks.
Vote Noah.